Welcome to today's session on learning how to customize your income statement for comparative reporting. My name is Nicole Watson. I am a consultant for Associates. I have several NetSuite certifications under my belt, and I look forward to sharing this with you today. So often what I find with several clients is that the native NetSuite comparative income statement isn't sufficient for your financial reporting needs. And so if we go ahead and we take a look here, if I go to Reports, Financial, and run a comparative income statement, what you'll see here is, we have our standard financial row layout, but the issue comes in with the columns, the comparison amounts. So we can see here that I have my report running from January 2017 through May of 2017. And I can see that my actuals then are showing here in the amount January through May of 2017. However, the comparative amount is for a full year compared to the prior year. So it's January 2016 to December of 2016. What I'm finding is that more often than not, our comparative amount really needs to reflect the actual amount from our current year. And so what we would want to see here maybe is January 2016 through May of 2016. Likewise, if I just flip this to May and do a May report, we have our May 2017 column, but it's comparing it to the full year of 2016. So I want to do a quick customization here just to show you the tools so that you can create your own comparative income statement. And we will do that by going up to Reports, Financial, Income Statement. I'm going to change my periods here to be May to May. And I'll refresh it real quick just so we have our May data. We'll go into Customize. I'm going to rename my report Associates Comparative Income Statement. We will go over to edit our columns. You'll see that we have one amount column. I'm going to add one more. So this amount is going to be current month. And then this amount we'll call last year. And under the last year column, we're going to want to change our alternate period range type to relative to report date. And we will then pick our alternate period range. And I'm going to start typing in same. So we'll say same period last fiscal year. I'm also then going to add a variance column. So I'll scroll up here and I'll say add a formula field. I'll call this my variance. Our formula type is going to be difference. And we'll take current month minus last year. We'll throw a grand total on there. And we will save. And we'll take a look at what we have right now. So now we can see that we have current month May of 2017 compared to last year's May of 2016. Now, what I also often find is sometimes we want a year-to-date comparison as well. So I'm going to return to my customization. I'm going to go over to my edit columns. And I'm going to add that amount field or column 2 more times. So I'll add it once and twice. So the first one is going to be my current year-to-date. So I'm just going to put current year-to-date. And we'll go down here and we'll select our alternate period range type. It's going to be relative to report date. And then under selecting our period, we will then start typing this. And we'll see this fiscal year to period. So we'll select that option. And then for our other column, we'll call this last year-to-date. We'll go ahead and select an alternate period range type to relative to report date. And then our alternate period range is we're going to start typing in last. And we're going to select the last fiscal year to period. So this guy right here. And then I also am going to add in another variance. So I'll add another formula field, and I'll just call this variance. And again, it's going to be a difference. And my X will be current year to date, and my Y will be last year to date. And now when I save this report, and I'm going to answer yes because I want to overwrite it because I want the additional columns. Now we can see that I have my income statement. I have the current month of May compared to the last year of May with a variance. And then I have the current year to date. So you can see this is January 2017 through May of 2017. And then my last year to date, which is going to show me the January 2016 through May 2016 with a variance. And my friends, that is how you would customize a financial income statement in NetSuite for comparative reporting purposes. I appreciate your time today, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.